Hello, my name is David Corlett and I'm a product line lead with Novell. And today we wanted to show you some aspects of our Sentinel product line that allow you to monitor the events that are being generated by your enterprise. This is the Sentinel Log Manager user interface, which is a simple web-based UI that allows you to easily see the data that is being gathered from a wide variety of event sources, ranging from operating systems, databases, applications, firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and so forth. The basic interface is the Event Search UI, where you can very simply search for events in your database that are being gathered and display them on the screen in a very simple format that describes the event name, the taxonomy of the event, usernames, IP addresses, and other relevant information that you will want to know about those events. You can also drill down to specific subsets of the data by clicking on single fields and just drilling down into the specific information you're looking for to perform forensic analysis. Text searches can be done by simply typing the strings you're looking for in the UI and just looking for strings within your events. And as I said, you can also just click on elements of the UI to filter down to subsets of that data. This allows you to very quickly and easily find the data you're looking for amongst the millions and millions of events that you gathered in the product. Also, you can use this data to drive reporting. So for example, we can open up a SQL Server password resets report, and this will query your system and look for specific pieces of data related to password resets and display them in a nicely formatted report format. These reports can be scheduled, can be emailed automatically to consumers, and can be customized either in the UI or also using our own development kit. Sentinel Log Manager also has some additional nice features, such as flexible storage. You can attach SANs and NFS volumes to easily store the data. You can also configure rules about how long you want to keep specific classes of data. So for example, you might want your firewall data, which is very high event rate, only to be stored for a very small amount of time, 1 day up to 10 days. But you might want to keep your authentication events for several months or even years. Each class of data gets its own storage retention policies and will be kept for exactly the amount of time you specify, space allowed. The other aspect of storage is that you can see exactly the forecast for how much how much storage you're using and when it's expected to run out based on your current storage available and your current event rates. Sentinel Log Manager also has the ability to take sets of filtered events and export them into outside systems. So to define a new rule, you simply give it a name, apply a filter, and these are the same filters we use for our searching. And then you can take those events and either pass them to scripts, to file, to syslog, send them to email, or to an SNMP trap. This Sentinel link option is an option we'll describe in just a moment. The Log Manager system also has users that which are used to provide permission-based access to events and to reports and other elements within Sentinel Log Manager. The Log Manager product is really focused on collecting the data, storing it compressed, allowing you to search it for forensic purposes, and develop reports to show you exactly what is contained in that data. But the Sentinel product line also includes a full SEM tool, Security Information Event Management tool, that does much more detailed analysis. It'll do things like inject identity information into events, vulnerability information for the assets associated with each event. It can look for sequences of events and patterns of events in the event stream and send alerts based on those patterns. It will also allow you to do more detailed reporting or reporting enhanced with the identity information, asset information, and vulnerability information. In order to pass the data from Sentinel Log Manager to Sentinel RD or our Sentinel SEM tool, we use the Sentinel link action to send the data, the selected set of events from Sentinel Log Manager to Sentinel RD. Sentinel Log Manager is our log management solution for enterprises that need a very simple, quick, and easy way to collect data from a wide variety of enterprise computing applications, operating systems, devices, network security tools, etc. Sentinel Log Manager can be used to collect this data, normalize it, put it into a simplified format, and then you can easily search that data, report on that data, and detect exactly what you want to find in your enterprise applications, the activities your users are performing, and the operation of your services and applications.